Hello guys, welcome to a new video here on my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you what I think is the easiest way to create and save data like leader stats. So I did in a previous video or a tutorial, I showed how to create and save data and we used a module script to easily edit, but I have found an easier way, and that's you need to create a script, call this leaderstats script. Inside create a folder. This folder will be the name of your data folder, so in my case leaderstats, and then inside you want to create the values you want, and we had coins and gems last time, so I will create that. So what we can do is create a number value. I think I would go for a number value. Coins, duplicate, and we will do gems, and also you can set the start value over here, and I think that I need to name this something else, so like goal, and set the start value to 1000 or something, because if I use coins and gems we already have saved data for those, so you will not see it working. Now create local players equals game get service players, local ds equals game get service data store service, local data store equals to ds get data store, and what the name of your data store. So in my case leader stats, the name here doesn't matter, just so if you want you can have like player data or something. Then what we want to do is local function create data plr, and then local leader stats equals to script dot leader stats clone return leader stats. So what we do here is cloning this folder called leader stats, or if you have player data, or so leader stats over here will be the name of your folder. Then what we want to do is local function load data plr leader stats for I, v in pairs leader stats get children do local success error message equals to p call function, and what we want to do is v, so the value, it will loop through all the values inside here, dot value equal to data store dot get async plr dot user id dot v dot name. So what we do here is we are setting the value to whatever we have saved previously. if not success, print error message. Now we need to create local. Now what we are doing, players.player added, connect function player, local leader stats equals to create data and pass in player. I don't think we need. Nope. We don't need the player inside. Then what we want to do is load data, pillar, comma, leader stats, and then leader stats dot parent equals to player. So we will set the leader stats parent after we have loaded every data. That's a very good way to do it, because then everything will show up with the right data and not wrong data and then change to the right data. So then local function, because now we only have the creating and loading data, we need to save data by doing a function local leader stats equals to plr find first child leader stats, change leader stats to the name of your folder once again, and then for I, v in pairs leader stats get children do local success error message is equal to p call function and data store set async, and just copy this. So plr.userid what's it called, dash I think v.name, and paste that inside. So and you can copy this and paste it down here. And then what we want to do is players.player removing, connect function plr save data game colon bind to close function for I, plr in pairs players get players. We want to do save data for the player, and we need to pass in player over here. Now everything should work. I hope so, at least. Oh, my bad. I need to do this over here. Now everything should work. So gold is 0 for some reason. And if I go over here, collect all these coins, we get coins. If we leave and join back, that's weird. Okay, my bad. I found what I did wrong. We obviously need to do v.value inside here, because we need to save a value, we cannot just save a key with no value. We need the value. So now everything should work. So if we collect some coins over here, wait for them to spawn, collected 550. If we close, there is no errors, and if we play again, we have 550 coins. I will check why this. Maybe we had some saved data for gold, but if we do a string value named tag or something, and we do owner just to try, hopefully, yeah, okay, so we had some saved values. That's nothing to worry about. That means because we didn't have any saved value for the tag thing, so when they first join, they will get this error. To fix it, if you really want it, if you really want to fix it, just do this. Copy this line over here and do if equals nil. Then no, change this to do not equals nil, then end. But if we duplicate this one and change this to username, not username, food, and we can do pizza or something. Now we should not get this error, but it still works. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want, you're very welcome to join my Discord server, link in the description. It's the place where you can chat with me, chat with others, get help, post your creations. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.